Mechanical keyboards have surged in popularity for their precision, tactile feedback, and customizable performance, qualities that woodworkers also demand in their tools. Like choosing the perfect switch type and build for typing, selecting the right benchtop planer comes down to power, blade quality.
List number 1. Viver Power Benchtop Planer. The Viver Power Benchtop Planer stands out as a powerful, cost-effective solution for woodworkers seeking consistent thickness results on a variety of hardwoods and softwoods. Equipped with a 15-amp motor and capable of delivering up to 12,500 RPM, it efficiently planes boards up to 12.5 inches wide with impressive precision. The dual-blade cutting system ensures a smooth surface finish, minimizing the need for heavy sanding after planing. A key advantage of this planer is its adjustable depth stop and 4-post design, which offer excellent stability during operation, reducing snipe and vibration. The metal work table provides a sturdy surface, and the integrated chip ejection system keeps your workspace clean by connecting easily to a dust collector. While it's slightly noisier than higher-end models, its affordable price, consistent cutting performance, and portability make it a strong choice for hobbyists and small workshops. Whether you're trimming rough lumber or fine-tuning final thickness for cabinetry.
List number 2. K-Rain 13-inch benchtop planer, 15A 2000 watts. The K-Rain 13-inch benchtop planer offers a professional-grade planing experience for both DIY and commercial woodworkers. Powered by a 15-amp 2000-watt motor, it produces up to 8,000 RPM, ensuring smooth, uniform results across a wide range of hardwoods. Its 13-inch width capacity makes it suitable for larger boards, while the double-blade design enhances cutting efficiency and reduces tear-out. The K-Rain planer's standout feature is its thickness control crank, which allows for fine adjustments to achieve the exact surface depth needed. Its sturdy cast iron base minimizes vibration during operation, providing smoother results and greater control. A built-in overload protection system prevents motor damage during extended use, while the automatic feeding rollers keep material movement consistent. In practice, users appreciate how this planer maintains even thickness across boards, a critical factor for furniture projects. While slightly heavier than entry-level units, the extra mass contributes to better stability. For serious hobbyists and small professional shops, the K-Rain 13-inch planer strikes a balance between precision, reliability, and affordability.
List number 3. Wooders 13-inch thickness planer, suit for DeWalt Dual. The Wooders 13-inch thickness planer is designed for serious woodworkers who want professional-level results with compatible accessories that align with the popular DeWalt Dual platform. Its 15-amp motor delivers a strong, steady output ideal for planing wide hardwood planks and dense materials. With a 13-inch cutting width and high-speed dual-knife cutter head, this planer creates remarkably smooth finishes and reduces snipe when properly adjusted. A major highlight is the customized blade alignment system, which keeps knives perfectly parallel, reducing the need for frequent recalibration. The planer's cast aluminum base and 4-column support system increased rigidity, ensuring consistent results even with heavy workloads. It also comes with a dust collection port and reversible blades, enhancing both safety and long-term value. In real-world use, the Wooders 13 planer performs admirably for cabinetry, furniture making, and restoration work. It rivals more expensive models in surface finish and durability, making it an attractive choice for anyone already using DeWalt-compatible systems.
List number 4. Find By Tool 13-inch benchtop planer. The Find By Tool 13-inch benchtop planer is engineered for reliability and ease of use. Equipped with a 15-amp motor, it delivers consistent cutting power and handles hardwoods, pine, and composite materials with ease. Its 13-inch cutting width accommodates most common lumber sizes used in cabinetry and furniture projects. The dual-blade cutter head ensures clean, tear-free surfaces with minimal passes required. A standout feature is its precision depth adjustment wheel, offering fine-tuned control over material removal.
The sturdy steel construction and four-column support system prevent vibration and ensure uniform thickness across large boards. Additionally, the dust ejection chute helps maintain a cleaner workspace by efficiently directing chips away from the user. Woodworkers praise this model for its balance of affordability and accuracy, especially for entry-level professionals and hobbyists. The machine's smooth feed rollers make continuous planing simple, while the overload protection system preserves motor life. Overall, the Find Buy Tool 13-inch planer is an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable mid-tier benchtop planer.
List number 5. PowerTech Pro PL1303C Benchtop Thickness Planer with 3 blades. The PowerTech Pro PL1303C is a standout model for those who value a smooth finish, power, and efficiency. It's powered by a 15-amp motor that generates up to 9,400 RPM, allowing the 3-blade cutter head to produce ultra-fine cuts with fewer passes. The 3-blade configuration ensures minimal surface tear-out, leaving boards ready for finishing. This planer features a 13-inch cutting width and a 4-post carriage lock design which stabilizes the cutter head to reduce snipe. Its anti-wobble steel base and foldable in-feed-out-feed tables make it both sturdy and portable. Additionally, the chip ejection port effectively connects to most standard dust collectors, keeping the workspace clean. Users consistently praise the PL1303C for its exceptional surface quality and value for money. Whether you're flattening rough stock, resizing boards, or smoothing reclaimed wood, it performs with precision comparable to much more expensive machines.